هاي، أنا اسمي أمينة مصطفى والنهاردة هنتكلم معاكم عن الإنترنت. First, let's talk about Internet. Internet is a private network contained within an enterprise that is used to securely share company information and computing resources among the employees. بالنسبة للusage, Internet can be used for working in groups and teleconference. Internet also encourages communication within an organization. Organizations use Internet in a variety of ways depending on their needs, such as central repository, collaboration, personalization, communication, easy access to information, social elements, project management, and automation. طيب, how does Internet work? It requires a web server that manages requests for data hosted on the server. The web server finds requested files and delivers them to the appropriate user. A content management system should also be set up to control the creation, publication, and management of the Internet content. An Internet includes connection through one or more gateway computers to the outside Internet and extranet resources. What are the advantages of an Internet? Some potential benefits of using an Internet includes the following: improved communication, information sharing, and collaboration within a business. Simplified records management. Streamlined tracking of requests. A testing environment for new ideas before they are implemented on a company's web page. Improved corporate culture that focuses on employees and encourages participation and interaction. A favorable return on investment from low implementation and operating costs. Coming up, the disadvantages of an Internet. There are also challenges when implementing an Internet, including these. Low user participation rates can result in a lack of the content, communications, and documents needed to make the Internet beneficial. The high cost of personnel leads to inadequate support for Internet users. As a result, when software bugs or other issues arise, problems are not resolved quickly. ودلوقتي معانا شوية examples من الإنترنت. في Blink, Facebook Workplace, HCL Connections, HyperOffice Atlas, Microsoft SharePoint, Microsoft Yammer, Passageways on Simple, SamePage, Simpler, WorkVivo, Staffaze, Zoho Connect.
Let's move forward and start talking about Extranet. Extranet is a private network similar to an intranet, but typically opens to external parties, such as business partners, suppliers, key customers, etc. The main purpose of an extranet is to allow users to exchange data, applications, and share information. بالنسبة للusages of extranet, it can help using online ordering أو electronic order tracking أو inventory management سواء كان internally أو externally with selected partners. Working flexibly to meet the demands of larger companies by adopting new technologies and enabling the exchange of business information and transactions. It can also help facilitating a cheap and efficient way for a business to connect with their trading partners and suppliers and allowing them access to the information they need 24/7. Automating the trading tasks between you and your trading partner in order to strengthen business relationship and integrate your business firmly within their supply chain. والإكسترانت مش شرط ان هو يكون بيستخدم internally بس, because it can be used by staff working remotely, those in sales or customer support or home workers. And for the advantages or pros of extranet, we can talk about how it makes the communication super easy and flexible and more efficient and kind of secure and so productive by reducing errors. And here's some of the disadvantages or cons of the extranet. And they are the cost, the dependency, and the maintenance, and the system protection, and the communication delay, and the user friendliness. And here's some examples of extranet. First, it acts as a distribution network to maintain communication between the suppliers and the distributors. It's also a central collaboration tool for franchise to communicate across numerous locations. It helps cross-collaboration across all government agencies. E-commerce sites integrations to exchange inventory data via secure network. And a project management tool where a project manager can share documents and contracts with subcontractors and other stakeholders. And the port portal where members of an association can access meeting minutes and port documents or onboarding documents for subcontractors or freelancer hires who do not have access to your employees' intranet.
Are there any similarities between the internet, intranet, and extranet? Shared features between the internet, intranet, and extranet include purpose of sharing information and communicating with users over the network, accessible via web browser, messaging functions similar to an internet application. They might have different encryption techniques, but the firewall security features are similar.